Hello and welcome back. Today is actually a special day because we did it. 1,000 subscribers. Before anyone asks, nope, don't panic. YouTube is not paying me yet. I checked 2, maybe 300 times. Still a long way to go. But hey, high hopes for next year though. Seriously. Thank you to every single one of you who watched, liked, commented, shared, or quietly stalked my channel at 2 a.m. I see you. The comments have been amazing. So many kind, funny, and slightly unhinged messages, and I truly appreciate every one of them. One I'd really like to do, and I quote, "Hey bro, you should make a vid on how you make the box humans. You know, box body." Which is fair, because apparently my artistic legacy is human-shaped rectangles. Let's get busy. Cue the intro, then let's get started. In this lesson, we're focusing on a single character. We start with one cube, clean and simple. Just structure, balance, and direction. This is still a cube lesson, I promise. It just grows legs. Draw another cube below and rotate it, because now we know how. The ribcage is a box. The pelvis is another box. Everything else connects to these three. Not anatomy, not muscles, just volume in space. Notice how the torso is slightly tilted. This small tilt already creates movement, even though the character is technically standing. A perfectly straight pose feels static. A tilted one feels alive. Now the legs. One leg carries most of the weight. The other is relaxed. This weight shift is what keeps the figure from feeling flat. It tells us where gravity is acting. If both legs do the same thing, your character looks like a mannequin waiting to be sold. We don't want that. And here we are. This is how you make the box humans. You know, box body. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, try building your own box humans and then post them in the community. Let's see those cubes strut their stuff. Warning: side effects may include uncontrollable laughter, an obsession with boxes, and slightly better drawing skills. See you in the next one.